Hello everyone. Ayan yung ganap namin kahapon after mass. Taking picture with Filipino friends. Ayan guys, taking picture the group of Filipino. Ayan si Madel ang tagakuha ng picture. Ayan si Ate Glinda. And two ladies from Australia nag-join din sila sa mass. Ayan guys, yung merienda namin. Arroz caldo, cake. Ang biko ay naubos na. Kasi masarap yung biko. And si Renali, gusto niyang magdala ng arroz caldo kasi madami pa. Yan guys, yung ganap namin sa mas. Ito naman yung hapunan namin. Munta kami ni Johnny sa restaurant. Nag-order siya ng fish and chips with salad. And miss grilled chicken and salad also with potato. At ayan guys, nanood si Johnny ng TV screen for football. Ayan guys, kain tayo. Thank you for watching. Bye.